In order for me to pull this shingle out, I'm going to have to disconnect these top 2 rows in order to extract the nails out to pull this shingle out. As you can see right now, all the shingles around it still seem to be good and intact. So you see it just ripped right here. Ripped right here. Just pulled through, trying to pull this nail out. Again, all I'm doing is lifting the shingles, trying to extract these nails out so that I can remove this shingle. As you can see too, the shingles are discontinued. The shingle right here, you put it correctly the way it's supposed to go. This is a new shingle. It hangs over about an inch overlapping the shingle because the new production shingles that are made now are bigger than the old shingles, which is this shingle right here. Now I'm going to have to nail these back in. I simply am going to lift the shingle high enough in order to be able to swing this hammer at 90 degrees, put these nails back in. As you can see, the granules on this is creased this all the way across here. We literally just lifted it up high enough to nail it back in. There was also the rips and tears that I showed in right here, sorry, in before. Ripped this shingle here. It's also caused creasing all across this shingle. So you've got creasing, tears. These shingles are just too brittle. They're non-repairable. Just trying to replace that one shingle has now damaged 3 other shingles. It's just going to be an ongoing domino effect. If I replace those 3, it'll do damage to 6 more, so on and so forth. These shingles are non-repairable.